Hi friends, it's Miss Traci from Curious University. It seems like it's been such a long time since I've been able to see you. I'm so glad that we're back together again finally. And to celebrate, we're going to do a fun activity. Now today is all about snow. Well, it's really about snowballs. Well, it's really about launching snowballs into the air using a catapult. Did you know that a catapult is a device that you can use to launch a projectile or an object up into the air and send it flying? Back in ancient times, they were used, the catapults were used as military weapons. The soldiers would find huge rocks that they wanted to send over the wall of an enemy's city or castle. But could they pick up those rocks and toss them? No, they were too big. They had to have something to help. So they built catapults, which allowed them to send the rock flying without using as much force or strength. That is a fact. Because, man, nobody's strong enough to send a huge boulder flying in the air, right? Yeah. Well, today we're going to build a simple catapult. And here's what we need. First, we're going to need some craft sticks. I have a stack of 2 and a stack of 7. Now, how many craft sticks do I have all together? That's right. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Very good. I also have some rubber bands. I have about 12 here, but I may not use them all. Then I have a spoon, and finally I have my snowballs. These are just white pom-poms, but you could use cotton balls or tissue paper rolled up or newspaper or paper towel rolled up, anything that you can make a ball out of so that you can pretend to launch snowballs into the air. All right? So, it's time to get started building. Are you ready? So the first thing that I want to do is to connect my craft sticks with rubber bands. I'm going to take this stack of 7 craft sticks and I am going to connect them with rubber bands. I'm going to connect them at both ends. Now, I'm going to take my stack of 2 craft sticks and I'm going to use 1 rubber band and I am going to connect these 2 craft sticks, but only at one end. There we go. I'm going to take the stack of 2 and I am going to open them up a little bit and I'm going to wedge the stack of 7 right here. And then I'm going to use 2 more rubber bands to join them together in a crisscross fashion. And they cross right here in the center. Now, I'm going to attach the spoon to the top stick right here. Now, can you tell which part of this catapult is the lever? That's right. Here's the lever right here, and here is the fulcrum. It's the pivot point. So, if we pull down on the spoon, there we go, the rubber bands at the opposite end are going to be pulled up. So hopefully, when we let go of the spoon, boom, our snowball will go flying. Hi friends, now it's time for the fun part. We're going to launch our snowballs using the catapult that we just built. I am going to turn the catapult this way. Now, I'm going to load a snowball onto the lever of the catapult. And I need to create some potential energy. And the way I'm going to do that is what? That's right. I'm going to pull down on the lever and the rubber bands are going to stretch up. Then when I let go, the rubber bands will go back, and then the potential energy will be converted into the energy of motion, and our snowball will go flying. Let's see what happens. Here we go. I'm about to let go. Whoa. Well, it did go into the air, but I wanted to travel a little farther this way. I'm going to try again. Nope, that didn't work. How can I make my snowball go farther? Let's see. I wonder what would happen if I propped my catapult up so that the lever, this end of the lever, is farther from the table. Let's just see what happens. Here we go. Whoa! That was pretty awesome. I'm going to do that again. Nice. Now, can you think of a way that you could build a catapult so that you wouldn't have to prop it up? You know, you can come up with your own design if you want to. And if you want to, but you need some inspiration, just look at the comment sections where you will find a link to a website. And there you're going to see 15 different simple catapults. And if you can convince a family member to build a catapult too, then you can have a snowball fight, which, guess what I'm gonna do? I am gonna go find Miss Katie Jane, and I'm gonna teach her how to build a catapult too, so we can have a snowball fight. It's gonna be so much fun. Guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. And just remember that next Thursday, you can come right back here for another curiosity break. And that one will be all about busy mice. Until then, stay curious. Bye.